तो बच्चों इस वीडियो में हम लोग इनइक्वालिटी स्टडी करेंगे। अगर आपको पता है कि a इज ग्रेटर देन b, तो a इक्वेशन भी होल्ड करता है। इसका क्या मतलब है, अगर a में हमने कुछ सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड किया और b में भी हमने सेम क्वांटिटी को सब्ट्रैक्ट या ऐड किया, तो इनइक्वालिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। लेकिन अगर हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे a को मल्टीप्लाई किया है c से और b को भी मल्टीप्लाई किया है c से, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि a इक्वालिटी होल्ड करेगी। If A is greater than B, it doesn't imply that AC is greater than BC. It actually depends upon C's value. If C is positive, then there is no difference in the equality. AC will be greater than BC. But if C is negative, then equality changes. AC becomes lesser than BC. So it's very important in equality equation. Finally, if we have A is greater than B, then it implies that 1 upon a is less than 1 upon b if a into b is greater than 0, and 1 upon a is greater than 1 upon b if ab, the product, is less than 0. So for the reciprocals, the equality sign changes if ab is greater than 0. Equality sign is same if the ab product is less than 0. Now let us look at some examples. So first inequality is x minus 3 is greater than 0. So what we know is that if we add any value to both sides, the equality will be same. So here we will add plus 3 to both sides. Okay, so if you add plus 3 here, it will become x, and if you add plus 3 over here, it will become 3. So x will be greater than 3. Okay, next example is 3x minus 4 is less than 0. So this implies that x will be less than 4 by 3. Now here what we have done is that we have added 4 to both sides. So equation will be 3x is less than 4. Okay, and then we have multiplied by 1 upon 3. So here you can see that we have multiplied by positive number, and when we multiply by positive number, equality will not change. It will still be x is less than 4 by 3, and that is because here we have seen that in the second inequality equation, if we multiply that both sides by positive number, then equality will not change. If we multiply by negative number, then equality will change. So in the next example, we have multiplied by negative number, and that's why equality has changed. Okay, so here what we are saying is minus 3x plus 4 is greater than 0. So we can write this as minus 3x is greater than minus 4 by subtracting by 4 on both sides. And now what we are doing here is that we are multiplying by minus 1 upon 3. Since we are multiplying by negative number to both sides, this equality sign is changing. And finally we have got this one, 5 is greater than 1, which implies to 1 upon 5 is less than 1. So equality has changed because both these numbers have same sign. Again in this example, both the numbers have same sign, so we can say their reciprocals will have different equality. So here minus 1 was greater than minus 10, here minus 1 will be less than minus 1 upon 10. And finally we have got this equation, 5 is greater than minus 1, which implies 1 upon 5 will be greater than minus 1. So here no change in the equality because the signs were different. The 5 is plus 5 and here it is minus 1. So since signs are different, the equality will not change. Thanks for watching.